How much can you earn from your Binance Referral Program? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how much you can earn from your referring on your Binance application. So you can basically refer friends to buy crypto worth over $50 and both of you will receive $100 in trading fee rebate vouchers within 48 hours. So if you share your referral link with your friends, and your referred friends buys more than $50 worth of crypto within 40 days after registration, you will be receiving trading fee rebate vouchers worth $100 each. So you can just start doing that by simply logging into your account first, and as I mentioned previously, you can basically head over to your hamburger icon after successfully logging into your account and simply choose on the option that is referral and simply share your referral link over here by simply tapping on invite now and successfully sharing it with your friends just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.